Hello everybody, welcome to the mathematical. Here in the mathematical we explain math, and today's topic is exponents and raising. Okay, let's dive deep into the topic of exponents. Let's start. First, how do we pronounce this example of an exponent? As you can see here, exponents have two numbers, the base number and their power, or the raise. So we can say the base is raised by the raise number. So we can say the two numbers here, 2 and 2. Can you see them? 2 and 2. We can say 2 to the power of 2. Or we can say 2 raised to the second power. That is the way to say it. How do we calculate it? We take the first number or the base number, the base. So the base here is 2. Then we multiply it by the raise. We multiply it by the number of the raise. So the base is multiplied by itself the raise times. So the base here is 2. 2 is multiplied, the raise is 2 also. So 2 is multiplied by itself 2 times. So that results in 2 times 2. 2 multiplied 2 times. Which equals 4. 2 times 2 equals 4. So that means two to the power of 2 equals 4. Okay. This is another example, but not with 2's. Look, here the base is, great job, 2. The raise is, great job, 3. Okay, the first number is the base, the second number is the raise. So we can pronounce it like 2 raised to the third power, or we can say 2 to the power of 3. Okay, we first take the base and multiply it by the raise times. So 2 here is the base, the raise is 3, so 2 is multiplied by itself 3 times. So that results in 2 times 2 times 2. All of that results in it equaling 8. 2 times 2 times 2, 2 times 2 equals 4, 4 times 2 equals 8. So we can say 2 cubed, or 2 to the power 3, or 2 to the third power, there are many ways to say it, equals 8. Oh, okay, here's some practice questions for you guys. Okay, the first one is, great job, 3 to the power of 2, or 3 raised to the second power. Okay, the second one is, great job, 2 to the power of 6, or 2 to the sixth power. The third one is, amazing, 5 to the power of 3, or 5 raised to the third power. The fourth one is, wonderful, 4 to the power of 2, or 4 raised to the second power. So now you kind of get the gist, okay? So the base of the first one is 3, and the raise is 2. The base of the second one is 2. The raise is 6. The base of the third one is 5. The raise is 3. The base of the fourth one is 4. The raise is 2. Okay, guys, I want you to answer these questions and tell me the answers in the comments below. I'm gonna say another way to say these numbers. Okay, the first one, 3 to the power of 2. When something is raised to the second power, we can say it simply cubed, or I mean squared. So we can say 3 squared. Squared immediately means raised to the second power. So 3 squared, we can say like 3 squared, or 3 to the power of 2, or 3 to the second power, which all equal to 3 being raised by 2, which all equal 3 raised by the power of 2. The second one, it's greater than 3. It's greater than 2. So we say the ordinary way, 2 to the power of 6, or 2 raised to the 6th. The third one is quite interesting. It's raised to the third power. The third power, we say for it 5 cubed. Cubed immediately means raised to the third power. And the fourth one is excellent, 4 squared. So I want you to answer these questions and tell me in the comments below what the answers are. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about exponents. See you in the next video, and bye bye.